Hi, my name is Juan Sandoval, and I'm owner and co-founder of PC Construction. We got many expertise on other fields, but our main focus is on kitchen and bathrooms. I think one of the biggest reasons that customers choose our company is because we are a small company, family oriented, and we work one customer at a time, and we give all our effort and quality to that one customer while we on their home. So I have a great story. This is for the family of Mr. and Mrs. Sugar. They live in Bethel Island, and I was there to do their kitchen remodel. When I went and met them, they gave me their ideas and how they wanted their kitchen. And while we were in progress of doing the demolition and creating the new kitchen layout, I was able to give them a new layout with a new area in their house where the kitchen will look much better and give her a better living space for them. So once I create that for them within the same budget, they were so happy. Then I can take that happiness out of their face. I think one of the most critical things for our customer is budget and timing, but we're here to give them peace of mind in that process because we will provide them a very detailed estimate with the specific specs of the work and how it's going to start from day one to completion. Okay, so again, thank you for everything. This is Juan Sandoval with PC Constructions, and I would like to say, if you're thinking about doing a project, don't hesitate to call us. We're here to help, and we'll get that peace of mind that you deserve. And we'll treat your home like if it was ours.